Charlie Terranos, 21, is the only shopping assistant at the supermarket branch in Watts. Here, die between 3 o'clock, wake up 6 times a week for the from 4 o'clock start. She jumps in her car and drives 5 minutes to the workplace. She works 6 days a week from 4 o'clock to midday and comes into contact with dozens of people every day. Charlize Terrano is working at the local supermarket. She is a cashier, book no chase baby, promoted to online shopping. Her duties include picking up items from supermarket, shelves for delivery. At work, she picks up an iPad listing all the customer orders placed that day and start walking up and down the aisles, scanning the productos they need. The chef placed them in a box will be packed up and delivered to someone from the when 20 supermarket opens at 18:30, shoppers start coming in. Charlie next to 3 avoid them as much as possible as she continued wading up down the aisles, scanning products and occasionally answer questions. She does not any protective equipment to only. Cashier are hip, face makers, silent in contact with more 200 people every day. I cannot only think of myself, she told Business Guru. I have think about what in customer and their family members as well. The host she also meted catastrophe people rush into panic buy fog and supplies occasional arguments and obstant however most people are polite and respectful. Consequently, Charles enjoys her home. She is hybrid still and intercepting her life of work become essential service.